What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to the channel. So, ooh, sunshine, gotcha, got me. So, walking backwards here, I got a new little gimbal for my phone for making videos. This thing works great, but that's not the reason we're out here today. The reason we're out here is this little guy right here is what we're out here for. There's that little guy right there, and let's come around the back side here. And this little guy right here, let's get on a side angle where you can see there's light. We're gonna pull those dents out today. So yeah, this ought to be exciting. Go back in the shop here, show you. So that is what we are gonna pull the dents out with. It is the Chicago Electric Welding Dent Repair Stud Welder Kit. Comes with the welder, comes with a bunch of studs, comes with a slide hammer. And as you can read there, it is made in China. I've heard some pretty good things about it. I've heard some, whatever things about it. Some people are indifferent. Some people thought it worked great. Some people, it's a Harbor Freight thing. Sometimes you get a not so desirable product. So either way, we're gonna try her out, see what she does. So since you can't use the stud gun to weld through the paint, I guess we're getting ready to go down the old rabbit's hole here into the point of no return, because once I take this beautiful red paint off here, it's time for a different look, I guess I should say. Here we go. Bye-bye. Let me do something that's going to take this off a little bit quicker. All right, so basically through here, right through there seems to be the worst of it. So I think if we put some studs along here, put some down here, maybe a couple up here, and a couple down here, I think as we pull, we can tap around it and get them all leveled out. We're just going to pull all around here fairly smooth. See how this works. Now, this is the first time I've ever done this, so I have no idea what's going to happen. It might be exciting. It might be the most boring video I ever made, but I plan on learning a little something, and hopefully some of you guys do too, because I've never done this before, like I said. (1001), 1002. you have it. Looking right down the side here. Not too shabby. Look at that. All right, so there, a little low. You know, all in all, not too bad. A little high right here in the middle. I might do a little tappy tap tap. Try to flatten that down a little bit. And I'm just going to skim this whole thing over with some Bondo. Sand her down, smooth it up, see what she looks like. But for my first time using a dent puller, I'm not disappointed. I'm just not good at it yet, I guess, is what I should say. So let's put some filler on there and see what she looks like. Well, there you go. Covered in primer. See that little guy right there? I wouldn't worry about that little guy right there. It was a raised spot, and I give it a little tappy tap tap because you could really see it when I hit it with the primer. So I'll take a little bit of filler after this primer dries. I'll go ahead and give it a light sanding. I'll probably hit that one little spot there with a little filler, smooth it up, and be done. But other than that, not disappointed. Not disappointed at all. I am not a body guy, and so let's get a side view on this so you can see what I got going here. You know what I mean? I'm pretty doggone happy with that. Like I said, once that primer dries and everything's a flat gray there, we'll dust her off a little bit, and I'm pretty happy with that. Like I said, I'll fix that little dot, but other than that dot, shit, I'm happy. So, on to the other side. Well, I got most of this sanded off here on this side. I'm gonna keep on sanding because, like I said, that thing, that stud gun sticks best when the metal's clean. On this side, I think I'm going to use that larger stud size. I think it has 2mm and 3mm. I'm going to try the 3mm just because it came with the kit and I haven't tried them. I use that one size on the other side. So, like I said, I'm going to sand this up the rest of the way. Get all this crap off here, clean it up, and start sticking studs to it. Yeah, that paper's not bad. Smell working. I'll start with that. There. Definitely in here. Probably in here somewhere. Here. I think that one will pretty much get that. Down here, looks pretty good. Except for in here. And over here. And we're covered in Bondo. All I had to work it with was a, piece of cardboard. So Looks like shit, but it's thick and it'll sand down. It's just a little more time. Well, you know, a little more time, a little more money. But it'll sand down, be smooth. I'm gonna primer it up. Probably go ahead and yank that piece of black trim off the rest of the way there. But we're, you know, just getting ready to throw the old Raptor liner on her, make her pretty. We'll keep clicking. All right. Not bad overall. Not bad at all. Oop, got a little tape left there. Considering I don't Bondo all the time, and you know, my Bondo tools was a piece of cardboard on a piece of cardboard, you know, I would say she's pretty not bad. You can still see, oh, a little bit of wave right there, maybe, I don't know. But also keep in mind that I did everything with a palm sander. I don't have the block and stuff like that. I guess I could have used a piece of 2x4 and some sandpaper and made it nice and flat and straight. But like I said, it's going to be Raptor lined. So I just wanted the big dent out. Now that the big dent's out, I'm good to go on the Raptor liner. So it's coming.
Go ahead.
All right, YouTubers, that's a wrap for today's video. As you can see, got it all primed up, nice and smooth and straight. There might be a little wave in there, but you know what? I'm not a body guy. Don't care. Just gonna get a coat of Raptor liner. It's good enough for me. I appreciate you guys watching. If you made it through the whole video, just know that Harbor Freight stud welder, if you want to do something like that, it's worth its money. It was like $100. Came with the studs. It came with the puller. The puller takes a little fiddling, you know, to get down, but once you figure it out, you're good to go. Worked real good. Like I said, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks. Have a good one.